A powerful tank is not necessarily beautiful, but a beautiful tank must be powerful. After all, appearance is combat effectiveness. This is Germany's most advanced main battle tank, the Black Panther. This Black Panther tank built by Germany for 40 years is not only beautiful, but also has two brushes in itself. Take its defensive performance as an example. It can throw other tanks a few streets. The Panther is equipped with an IMAP defense system. The power of this system is that it can automatically monitor incoming shells, and it can also automatically analyze the type and speed of the shells, as well as the data of ballistic analysis. After calculating by its own computer, the IMAP system will actively launch the corresponding controlled shells to intercept. It is worth mentioning that the whole process takes no more than 0.5 seconds, which shows that its response speed is quite fast. In addition, the Panther tank is also equipped with multiple cameras and radars around it. Combined with the display in the cockpit, it allows the fighters to achieve a 360-degree panoramic view, which truly achieves no dead ends and no blind spots, greatly improving the world state perception ability. In terms of weapons, the Panther tank is equipped with a 130mm Huatang gun, which can use conventional kinetic, energy ammunition, and programmable air blasting shells. And the main gun has a complete automatic loading system. The top of the tank is also equipped with a remote control machine, gun tower, and a 360-degree rotating photoelectric head. Suddenly and unexpectedly, a drone launcher is also equipped on the main turret of the tank. This wave of operation should be unique. The compatibility of the landing gear is also very strong, and it can carry 8 hero drones and a dodge drone at the same time. The dodge drone is mainly used to detect enemy situations, while the hero drone is mainly used to attack the enemy's multiple rocket launchers. The model can carry up to 6 kilograms of high explosives and has a range of up to 40 kilometers.